Hello, listen to the most exciting news of the 21st century. In this age, the biggest challenges to human wellness are the diseases of civilization. This breaking news is just what you want to hear. Every person, young or old, is concerned about having energy and a healthy immune system to enjoy life and prevent diseases. Yes, what is life without the energy to enjoy it? And we all know that prevention is better than the best cure. This breaking news is very timely and, should I say, much awaited. Tonight we will be unveiling the best kept secrets of wellness and healthy living encoded in your DNA. First, let us share some information to enlighten you on the basics of DNA. DNA, the molecule of life, is responsible for carrying all the information an organism needs to survive, grow and reproduce. It is stored in the nuclei of cells, where it is packaged into thread-like helix structures called chromosomes, and these molecules are made up of subunits called nucleotides. There are 4 different nucleotides in DNA called guanine, cytosine, adenine and thymine. All life on Earth is built from 4 different types of molecules, which are proteins, carbohydrates, lipids and nucleic acids. Without these 4 molecules, a cell or organism would not be able to live. These are referred to as the molecules of life. Medical science has led us to believe for several decades that our inherited genes are our biological destiny, such that you have no way to escape certain diseases like diabetes, cancer or heart disease. But thanks to the growing body of knowledge and revelations from genetic research, we understand today that our genetic composition is not necessarily your inevitable destiny. This implies that while you might carry the genetic mutation that increases your risk of heart disease and other hereditary diseases, it is not your absolute destiny to develop any of them. Unfortunately, genetic makeup, aging, lifestyle, environment and stress all compromises your DNA wellness. Did you know that about 300 million cells die every minute in our bodies? And every cell has a different job in our body. The breaking news is that Imuregen, the best kept secret of Europe's wellness, is now available in the US, exclusively distributed around the world by Forever Healthy Products LLC. It contains dietary nucleotides, 118 oligopeptides, peptides, 17 amino acids and minerals. These are just what your body needs to give it the right ingredients to do its job. Giving your body the material it needs to be able to regenerate, repair and build immunity by itself is vital. The great news is you can protect your DNA for better health and wellness. Thus, it could be said that good health starts and ends at the DNA level. And that healthy DNA means a healthy you. So take charge now. Visit www.humandnawellness.com for more information.